There are many degrees of comparison. For example, John earns a little more than Tom, or John earns a lot more than Tom. In both examples, John earns more, but in the first example, the difference in profit is small. In the second example, it's big. That's what I mean by degrees of comparison. Stick with me, and I will show you how it works. To show that the difference between the two compared nouns is small, we can use the following words and phrases. A little. Boss, I need a little more time. A little bit. I could stay with you a little bit longer, but I have to run. A bit. This job is a bit harder than I thought. Slightly. Your performance this year has been slightly better compared to the last year. To show that the difference between the two compared sounds is big, we can use the following words and phrases. A lot. Now, he drinks a lot more than he did when he was married. Much. The demand for the new phone is much lower than the company believed. Way. This car is way more expensive than I expected. Far. The movie is far more interesting than the critics say. Those are the most common words and phrases. Stay tuned for more useful videos